Hi, everyone.
Hi, Professor.
Not much.
I just gonna
Give it a few more minutes to let other people come to class. Okay. I'm going to get started and I'll explain more things to more people as they come in. So today is basically a day where I answer any questions you have about the paper. It's a working day. How are the papers going?
They're going pretty good.
Good.
Fantastic.
Good. Good. Excellent.
I completed the Macbeth video thing. Does that mean
Yeah.
I get an extension now?
Yep.
Sweet.
So Adam, I actually already graded yours. I just graded it. So you get extra bonus points and you get an extension till what, Thursday night, I said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we're doing on Friday is you should all watch Get Out and come to class ready to discuss it. And I can show you that will be free for you to watch.
That's a good movie.
It's a good movie, and it's going to be kind of the centerpiece of Unit 3 and of your third paper.
If I've watched it already, do I get bonus points?
There will be like the quiz, or like there will be next class like a kind of quiz. It's going to be like a kind of guided notes activity type of thing. So you'll get points for watching Get Out and coming to class ready to talk about it.
Word.
So if you go to Canvas and you go to, next class is April 3rd, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Here's the link. So it will be free. Set aside an hour 44. Even if you've seen it before, it might be worth watching again to kind of refresh things. And if it takes you to this page instead of to the actual Get Out, here it is. Okay. And if you play it, you know, you can play it and watch it, and that's your homework for next time, as well as reading a couple of things from Writing Analytically. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of give a short lecture on this that I'm going to record. And then what we'll do is we'll probably start class like 15 minutes late. So we'll start class and we'll enter discussion at about 12:30. Okay. And then talk about Get Out. And that means you should watch the video about Writing Analytically at some point. At the end of class, hopefully you'll have most of the activity is filled out, submit that to this. You should be able to do a file upload. So what happens is I'll post a Word file here. You'll download it, you'll complete it, and then you'll re-upload it here by midnight, and that'll be your quiz grade, and you can potentially get 6 out of 4 for that. If you come to class and discuss, that's 3 points, and then completing the worksheet, that's another 3 points. Okay? Questions so far?
No.
Awesome. Good. So that's for next time. Today I'm here to answer questions you have about the paper, but also I was going to give you some time during class today to potentially do this. So paper 2 is due by midnight unless you watch this play. I was gonna share my screen and kind of let you watch it like on my computer, but Zoom is being so, there's been some lag issues, so I'm just gonna let you guys go and kind of watch it on your own. So I'm gonna let you guys go early today so that you have time, if you'd like to begin to watch Macbeth. It's 2 hours, and if you write about 5 sentences about this performance and how the production was different from reading the play, how it made you think of the play differently, or what stood out to you, you can get an extension. If you submit that by midnight tomorrow, those 5 sentences, and watch it and submit 5 sentences by tomorrow midnight, you get an extension on your paper till Thursday and a potential 6 bonus points. Okay?
Word.
Good. And that's because we weren't able to have the performance. Okay. So, any questions about the paper right now?
No.
You feeling okay about it?
Yeah.
So, so if you are feeling good about the paper and you have no explicit questions for me about what we're doing next class, or questions about paper, citing, stuff like that, you can sign out, leave the meeting, and go work on it, or go watch the film, stuff like that. Okay?
So the minimum amount of words is 900, or is that just like a soft minimum?
For the paper, you mean?
Yeah.
So 900. Yeah, that's the minimum. Not a soft minimum. Probably needs to be a solid 3 pages.
Okay.
Good question, Chris.
All right. Thanks. I'm gonna start working on the rest of it now. Then.
Awesome. Sounds good.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Did I miss much? I came on like a minute or 2 late. I just want to make sure I didn't like miss anything important.
So I kind of went over what we're doing next time. Mm-hmm. So for Friday's class, watch the movie Get Out, and you can find it on Canvas.
Okay.
And then if you're also watched the 2-hour Macbeth video on YouTube, you can get an extension on your paper till Thursday night, and potentially also 6 bonus quiz points.
Okay, so for the Macbeth video, what do we do? Like, how do we get the bonus points? Like,
so you watch the video, and then you write like 5 sentences about it and how it made you think of things differently. The instructions are here on March 31st on Canvas.
Yeah.
Watch Macbeth. It's about 2 hours. Here's video part 1 and part 2. And then write a paragraph or about 5 sentences about what was different about this production, different from seeing it versus reading it, how it made you think of the play differently, what stood out to you, particular scenes you thought were really impactful, or ways that things were performed that you didn't expect. If you submit that by tomorrow at midnight, you can take an extension to Thursday on your paper and get a potential 6 extra bonus points to go to past missed quiz points, or to put into your bank for future missed quiz points.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So, and then most of class today will be like, I'll keep Zoom up around. If people have questions, they can drop in my office hours tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 10:30 or 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. I think.
Okay.
Maybe it's 11. It's probably 11. 8:30 to 11:30. So you can drop in and ask questions then too.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You too. Any questions?
Hey, I was a little late. What did I miss?
So, what we're doing is today I'm answering any questions you have about the paper.
Okay.
I kind of laid out what we're gonna do Friday,
Okay.
Which is we're gonna watch the movie Get Out.
Nice.
And so, well, we're not watching it in class. Watch it for class. Come ready to discuss it. So here, if you go to April 3rd, read these pages in writing analytically. I'm going to give a short, I'm going to record a video kind of going over that, and then I'm going to post that. And so we're going to start a little late at like 12:30ish. We'll start to kind of give you time to watch that recorded video. And then we're going to kind of jump into Zoom around 12:30 to watch Get Out. During class, you'll have an activity to complete. It's like kind of like guided notes. And you're going to, if you upload that by midnight, you'll get 3 points. If you participate in the Zoom discussion about Get Out, that's another potential 3 points. So that will be your quiz grade. And then, yeah. Any questions about that so far?
No, that's going good.
And for today, I'm here to answer questions, but I'm gonna let you go if you'd like to either work on your paper so you can get it in by midnight, or if you want an extension and potentially 6 bonus points, watch this 2-hour production of Macbeth.
Yeah.
And write up a blurb, like a paragraph, about 5 sentences about this production, what's different about it, how it made you think of the play differently, particular scenes that stood out to you, and stuff like that. If you get that to me by tomorrow at midnight, you'll get an extension to Thursday on your paper and potentially 6 bonus quiz points.
Sweet. Yeah.
And that's because we didn't get the play, right? We were supposed to have a play performance and like that, and it didn't happen. So, okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a good day. I'll see you Friday.
Bye.
Bye. Kira, things are going okay with you?
Yeah, everything's going good.
Okay, good. I'll be here if you have any questions.
Okay, so like I would just come back on and you would still be here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.